Ossity Labs in Baldwin County has been producing CBD products for some time now. Well, now their parent company, Specialty Medical, is chomping at the bit to begin another line of production, medical marijuana, and was ready to go when they were chosen in 2023 as one of 5 companies to grow and process such products for consumers in Alabama.
We're ready to go. We're ready to manufacture these products. We've already gone through the process to prove that we can manufacture these products, and I think that each step here is a step closer.
But several companies not chosen cried foul in court, and that's where it's been since then. And that's where attorneys found themselves again today, this time before a judge in Montgomery. The issue this time? The selection process is still under investigation, with the losing companies complaining that the winning companies weren't being compelled to take part in that probe. Among them, a company called Alabama Always, who has filed suit against the Alabama Medical Cannabis Commission to throw the new licenses out and start over again.
The procedural aspect is probably the most important part that really doesn't necessarily become all that obvious to people who aren't lawyers, but I think the judge at least identified some questions he wants to have answered.
But those answers may be easier to come by. At Wednesday's hearing, Alabama Specialty and the 4 other integrated license winners went on the record to say they will participate in that licensing investigation in an effort to speed up the process.
The judge today said he wanted to have another week to look at some of this, and we're optimistic and hopeful.
A little more briefing. Looks like it's not going to take a long time. So maybe we'll have some answers on this in a few weeks.
This latest bump in the road underscores what a long, mired mess this process has been and what is supposed to be an organized effort to bring medical marijuana to patients in Alabama who need it. Many of them now feeling their needs have fallen to the bottom of the list, below the millions in profits likely to await the companies who finally get the green light to produce it.
We see the need. We've seen the doctors reaching out to also express their concern about not being able to provide these medicine. So right now we're hopeful any progress that can be made, and so we're ready to go. And we're ready to provide this, and we're hoping that the process will allow that.